in the traffic carriage to see
okay, sure.
But look, so far so good. Probably the worst performer is the Westgate
Mum, we're recording on.
From the Voldy up and over the bridge.
What they know that we don't. And then Kieran says eggshells are not
Mum, we're
porous for
recording
salmonella
on.
unless they are chlorine washed, which...
She jumps.
In the fuck are you doing?
Or you. Fuck, what a dickhead.
Done this in a while, but boy, oh boy, Peter, it's time for the shitbag titty fuck of the week.
Where are you even going? City?
Yeah.
You're like 2 stations away.
I know, but there's no trains.
Dumbass.
What the hell?
Serious?
Let's go around.
So many cars.
Oh, you can go now.
So many cars.
I'll go back once in a while.
I have done it before.
I once wanted
Willy.
I wanted to make a mockumentary about a guy who tucked his dick back into a mangina and then he opened his legs and it never came back.
Oh.
Not sure what the premise was, that was it.
Do you think you could get away with that in 2020?
Yeah, because it's not about...
You know, like when they just like jump back and forth and then like he'll fake one and then he'll like do the...
Like, you're so dumb. You are so dumb.
Really?
Well, when you get to know them.
She was a real crazy woman that was in East, I should say, and another woman that looked a bit like a drag queen. And,
to their own.
And she, oh, of course, absolutely, and a self-confessed.
Next year, which includes starting positions for centre dancers, changes to the rules around kicking from behind, and the hand.
There's plenty happening this weekend. We've got the Denny Ute Muster, which is on over the New South Wales long weekend, but also in a tube we've got the Swiftness. Over.
6 Kensington, go ahead.
Classifies first alarm property fire. Out on arrival, witness investigated with a thermal camera. Will be approximately 20 minutes over.
Go! That's 3 in a row that they've got from us.
Prepare to keep left.
Oh, fuck! He just went straight through that. Another one for me, Cam. Oh, yeah, look. He has. He's cut out the fucking line. He said he didn't fucking look. He just...
It's simply not true. Furthermore, many cases of recovered repressed memories
Well, no shit. What have we got here? A fucking comedian, private joker. Do you suck dick?
Queensland Premier Anastasia Palaszczuk, who paid tribute to the victims.
But in this extraordinarily difficult time, they have found a grace and dignity and a profound level of courage to speak out so that we stand together can put an end to this scourge of domestic and family violence.
Investigations are continuing into yesterday's fatal police shooting in Brisbane.